In the present video, I will try to describe the web application I mentioned in my CV. It is basically a simple application that allows users to share some content so that the other users can react to that content and comment it. So, as you can see here, the application is composed of two parts, the backend and the front end. Each part runs in a separate container. To enable that, we're going to use the docker compose command. That's not going to take a while. Wait for two containers to start running. So, yeah, they are running successfully. We try to access the application through the Google Chrome browser on port 3000. So, as you can see here, this is the main page of the application or the home page of the application. The first functionality is the standard authentication. The users can log in and sign up. So we're going to add a new user. For simplicity, we simply call him, user1 for first name and last name, and then add an email, user1 email, user1 at. This is it. Now the user has been added successfully to the database. The next thing is to log in that user. We are going to use the same information. Made a mistake. This is it. Now, as you can see, the user now can add new posts. So I will start by describing three variables here. This variable denotes the number of views, so that each time user enters to see a post, this number will be incremented. The second thing, the number of likes. Each time user likes a post, it will be incremented. Thirdly, the number of comments. Each time user comments a post, this number will be incremented. So let's say the first post is about Paris. We are going to add the picture of Paris and some random description here, and then add tags. Tags, they are a way of maybe, how to say it, describing the post. For example, here in Paris we can add Paris tag, add France tag, and Europe tag, like that. We added. Okay, let's say the user has visited another city, Berlin for example. We're going to basically do the same thing for that post too. Berlin, Germany, and Europe, like that. We're going to add it, and let's add a city from another continent. Let's say, for example, he has visited Montreal. Montreal, Canada, and the continent is North America. Okay, now all the posts were added. Now we will see the next functionality, which allows users to search the posts based on their tags. For example, if you write here Europe, you will get the posts in which Europe is mentioned as a tag. If we write, for example, Montreal here, we will get only one post. If we write Paris, we will get only one post, and so on. And what's important here is that the route here is getting updated each time we update the field of the tag over here. You see. Okay, now I move on to the next functionality, which is real-time. Before talking about that, when I click here, I will get all the posts that has been added by this user. Next, I will talk about the real-time notification or the real-time communication, or let's call it real-time notification. Each time a new user likes or comments a post, the user who made the post will get notified. So You see here that the posts are showed correctly. Let's say another user, we call it user2 for simplicity, user2, and user2 email at gmail.com, and user2 at strong. Okay, the user2 has been added successfully to the database. Now we are going to log him in like that, and okay, now the user can add similarly the the images or the posts he likes, upload, do basically the same thing we've done with the other posts. Let's say New York, and in the USA, and in North America here. Okay, okay, so as I said before, if I enter here, these are the posts added by the user 1. When I come back, I will get the post added by the user 2, and if I enter, I will get them here. You can see here that each time the user 2, or let's come back to the user 1 and update. From the user 2, we try to like a post made by user 1. A post made by user 1 over here. Let's say he likes maybe Montreal. When I click here, you see that it gets automatically incremented without reloading the page. And similarly, if I add the comment, like here, it's going to be shared, and the number gets incremented directly here in the user 1 interface. Okay, now what I wanted to show you is the ability to manipulate the different posts added by a user. As you can see here, the image is getting, I didn't work around that. Maybe I would adjust the size of the image, it's not a problem. But what's important to notice here is that we can modify the description. We can modify here, description modified. Now the description, as you can see here, has been modified. If we come back here in the user, maybe we should refresh the page to get it from database. You can see that the description has been modified. And what else? The user who created the post can delete it. If we before deleting it, let's see if we have to do something else. No. So the user can delete the post. If we come back here, we don't see the post again. It's not available in the database. So basically all the CRUD operations are done correctly in the application, as mentioned in the CV. And what else? I think I have covered all the functionalities provided by the application.